प्रोमिस दैट मीन्स अ डिक्लेरेशन दैट यू विल डेफिनेटली डू समथिंग और समथिंग विल हैपन, मतलब वादा, प्रतिज्ञा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई प्रोमिस टू हेल्प यू, सी केप्ट हर प्रोमिस, मतलब उसने अपना वादा निभाया। नाउ कम्स टू द ऑप्शंस। प्लेज दैट मीन्स अ सीरियस और फॉर्मल प्रोमिस, मतलब प्रतिज्ञा, दृढ़ वादा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सोल्जर्स टुक अ प्लेज टू प्रोटेक्ट द नेशन, मतलब सोल्जर्स ने देश की रक्षा करने के लिए शपथ ली। सो इट्स करेक्ट बिकॉज अ प्लेज इज सिंपली अ स्ट्रॉन्ग और फॉर्मल प्रोमिस, so that's why it's correct. Think like this: promise equals to general word and pledge equals to formal promise. Every pledge is a promise, but not every promise is a formal pledge. Now deny that means to say that something is not true or to refuse to accept something, मतलब इनकार करना, मना करना। For example, she denied knowing him, so it's wrong because promise means saying I will do it and deny means saying no, I didn't do it or I refuse. The meanings are completely different, so it's wrong. Now break that means to separate into piece or to fail to keep something, मतलब तोड़ना। For example, he broke the glass, he broke his promise. It's also wrong because you can break a promise but break doesn't mean promise, मतलब आप वादा तोड़ सकते हैं लेकिन तोड़ने का मतलब वादा पूरा करना नहीं होता। That's why it's wrong. Now forget that means to fail to remember something, मतलब भूल जाना। For example, don't forget your homework, I forgot my keys. It's also wrong because sometimes people forget a promise, but forget is not the same as promise. It's like promise equals to commitment and forget equals to failure of memory. That means different meanings. That's why it's also wrong. So answer is pledge. Victory that means success in a battle, competition, election, game or any contest, मतलब विजय, जीत। For example, India celebrated its victory in the final. Hard work led to her victory in the exam. Now comes to the options. Defeat that means to lose a contest or beaten by an opponent, मतलब हार। So it's wrong. For example, the team suffered a defeat. टीम को हार का सामना करना पड़ा। So it's wrong because victory equals to winning and defeat equals to losing. That means they are exact opposites. That means antonyms. That's why it's wrong. Now loss that means the state of losing something such as money, property or an opportunity, मतलब हानि, नुकसान। For example, the company suffered a financial loss, मतलब कंपनी को आर्थिक घाटा हुआ। The loss of his phone upset him, मतलब फोन खो जाने से वो परेशान हो गया। So it's also wrong because loss usually refers to losing something valuable, not winning in a competition. So it's not a synonym of victory. That's why it's wrong. Now triumph that means a great or glorious victory, especially after difficulty or struggle, मतलब शानदार विजय, महान जीत। That means great victory. So it's correct. For example, winning the World Cup was a triumph. Her recovery from illness was a personal triumph. That means a triumph is a type of victory, usually one that is more significant or hard earned. That's why it's correct. Now failure that means the lack of success or the inability to achieve a goal, मतलब असफलता। For example, failure is a part of learning. So it's also wrong because failure means not succeeding while victory means succeeding. That means they are opposites. That's why it's wrong. Here defeat, loss and failure ये वही victory के antonyms है. That means opposites. So answer is triumph.